Hello, myself Harsh, 19DC077. So today's my research paper topic is an overview of blockchain technology, architecture, consequence, and consensus and future trends. This is the outline of my presentation. Introduction, blockchain architecture, consensus, algorithm, challenges and recent advances, possible future direction, and conclusion. So coming to the introduction part, the firstly we will come across the word Bitcoin. So Bitcoin is a digital currency and it is the first currency. It was introduced and a decentralized system that records the transaction in a distributed ledger called a blockchain. So blockchain is a core technology for a Bitcoin. And then words come immutability. Immutability word come the ability for a blockchain ledger to remain a permanent, indelible, and unalterable history of transactions. This transaction cannot be tampered once it's baked into the blockchain. Due to this reason, it is known as immutable. And the word comes the smart contracts. Smart contracts are simply programs on a blockchain that run when predetermined conditions are met. So the smart contracts are simply programs stored on a blockchain that runs when predetermined conditions are met. The word security comes when blockchain is there, so it depends on the block size also. So the block, when the block size is larger blocks means larger storage space and slower propagation in the network. This will lead to centralization gradually as less users would like to maintain such a large blockchain. Therefore, the trade-off between block size and security has been a tough challenge. And also, it can be proved that miners could achieve large revenue than their fair share through selfish mining strategy. This is the blockchain architecture. It is uh, the block 0, which is known as Genesis block, and block header is a part, the version, timestamp, hash, difficulty level, nonce, and Merkle root. So these are the part of block header, and block body contains list of transactions. So coming to detail in each part of the block header. So yeah, blockchain internals. So block contains the version, root hash, timestamp, and bits. Nonce is a number one value means it is for miners which looking for a target value. And in any block when the text is changed, the nonce value gets also changed. So it is used for that. And parent block has which uh, has value of previous block. Then comes the digital signature. It it has two phases: signing phase and verification phase. Signing phase, in which Alice encrypts her data with her private key and sends both the encrypted result and original data. In verification phase, Bob validates the value of the Alice public key. In that way, Bob could easily check if the data has been tampered or not. Then after key characteristics, decentralization, the blockchain comes, the decentralization word appears. Then after come persistency. So what do you mean by persistency? The persistency is can transaction can be validated quickly, and it will be invalid transaction would be not be admitted by honest miners. Then afterward come anonymity. where the user can interact with the blockchain with a generated address. And then after come the auditability, then come to taxonomy, which contains the consensus, determination, read permission, immutability, efficiency, centralized and consensus process. So coming to the next part, the consensus algorithm, which is divided into three parts as approaches to uh, consciousness, have POS, BFT, DP, POS, Ripple, and Tendermint. So we will look each and POW is a proof of work, which is a consistent strategy used in the Bitcoin network. Then after come POS, proof of stake, which is a energy saving alternative to POW. The miners in POS have to prove the ownership of the amount of currency. It is believed that people with more currency would be less likely to attack the network. Then will come PBFT, which is practical Byzantine fault tolerance, the replication algorithm to tolerance Byzantine faults, and DPoS, delegate proof of stake. So the main difference between POF and DPoS is that POS is a direct democratic while DPoS is a representative democratic. Ripple is a network which is a consequent algorithm that utilizes collectively trusted subnetworks with a larger network. The network nodes are divided into two types, which is server participating consensus process and a client for only transferring fund. And last one is Tendermint. Is a Byzantine consensus algorithm. A new block is determined in a round. A proposer would be selected to the broadcast and unconfirmed block in this round. These are the approaches to consensus, and then after come consensus algorithm comparison. The node identity management, energy saving program, tolerated power and example. These are the properties of it, and we will see in next slide. Then after come advances on consensus algorithm, which follows the ghost rule. This is the table of typical consensus algorithm comparison. So all this the property node identity management, energy saving, tolerated power example, and these are the, if you say, approaches to it. Is POS, PBFT, and many other. So what are the challenges to the blockchain? It's first one is scalability, which is a network. The blockchain is the ability to of that platform to support increasing load of transaction as well as increasing the number of nodes in the network. Second one is privacy leakage. User information and data are often stored and mishandled and misused, posing a threat to the personal privacy. And last one is selfish mining, which is a deceitful cryptocurrency mining strategy in which one miner or a group solves a hash upon a new block and withholds it from the public blockchain. So what is the solution to the scalability? We can perform we have two methods to it. The first one is storage optimization method of blockchain, and second one is redesigning of blockchain. So what are the future directions connected with the blockchain? So we can have a blockchain testing, which is the systematic evolution of blockchain various functional components, and next one is a stop the tendency to centralization. Blockchain, which is designed as a decentralized system as of now. So it is as of now it is a decentralized system. So, however, there is a trend that the miners can centralize in the mining pool, which can behave in the future. So, next one is the big data analytics. So blockchain could be well combined with the big data, as we know. So here we roughly categorize the combination into two types, which have the data management and data analytics. So it can be have a future for it. So next one is blockchain applications. We have there are currently many applications are there in the blockchain, but in the future we may see the many more domains can be included very soon. So coming to the conclusion part of our research paper, what we get from it, it is a blockchain has shown its potential of transforming traditional industry with its key characteristics: decentralization, consistency, anonymity, and auditability. And we can see there the topic related to security, and which is a main factor of it, and it is a great advantage due to blockchain. So as of future, we can see that blockchain application in future will have a large scope in many domains, and today also it has many applications in many domains, but we can have some more details about it in the future. Thank you.